Namaskaram. In this video, we are going to talk about Rich Dad, Poor Dad cash flow quadrant. Most of you would have read this book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it got its extension through cash flow quadrant, and it's a beautiful understanding. See, we can classify individuals into either of this category. That is, either an individual can be an employee, or he can be a self-employed, or he can be into business, or he can be an investor. Okay, let's understand one by one. When I say employee, he is working in an organization. He basically compromises his time for the money. He compromises his time for the money, and we can say 95% of the people are basically employees. And the sad reality is they have only 5% of overall wealth. I mean, if we take the total of all these individuals, of that 95% will be employees, and if you look at the wealth they have acquired, it will be only overall 5%. So they are the people who work in an organization, they give their time for money, and their main focus is job security. So when they work in an organization for quite some time, they get paid well, and that creates a kind of attachment to the organization, and after some point of time they may not be able to think of anything else, so they feel that okay, this is their life, and they plan for retirement. That is, till their retirement they work till retirement. So they constitute 95% of overall, but they have only 5% wealth. The second category is self-employed. Self-employed is almost similar to employees only. Only difference is they don't have boss. No boss. It means they work on their own. They may be having a small shop or a small business. It can be service oriented, it can be goods oriented. They have no boss, and if they work more, they earn more. Okay, if they work more, they earn more, and if they work less, they earn less. That is self-employed. So we can say put together 95%, that is employees and self-employed, because they are highly docile, in the sense their income will just be matching their expectation, or we can say the income of self-employed will be at times greater than employees. Similarly, income of self-employed will be at time less than employees also. That's what I said. If they work more, they earn more. If they work less, they earn less. That's about self-employed. Then comes the third category and fourth category. Third category is basically businessmen. Okay, they are into business. These are all the people who actually engage employees. They basically engage these employees, and they also make use of money from investors. So they engage money that are contributed by investors. So these people, they basically have ideas. And in order to execute those ideas, they'll be making use of these employees, they'll be making use of investors, and they make really a lot of money. But the thing is, they should be on continuous work in the sense they should ensure employees are working, They should ensure the funds, whatever they have mobilized, that is also working, but they get good return. Okay. Then comes the fourth category. Fourth category is basically investors. These are the people who will not work. Okay, what they'll do, they will invest in a business. They will invest in a business and they make money while they sleep. They make money while they sleep. Because they have accumulated so much wealth and they don't want to run business. So what they'll do, they'll identify people who are running business in an efficient way. They invest money on them, and these people are going to ensure that that business is taken care, employees are working, money is working, so they are going to get return. So if you want to really make money when you sleep, because only when you make money when you sleep, you will achieve the financial freedom. If you are going to make money only by compromising your time, it means you have to work until you die, said by Warren Buffett. Okay, so if you want to make money when you sleep, okay, you got to become an investor. Investor means investing for a long horizon, long time horizon, not just for today, tomorrow, or next 1 week. That is a speculation. Speculation can put us in trouble. But investment, if investment is made in right business, the business managed by right people with right team, then that will help you to make money while you sleep. Everyone should try to get into this stage. I'm not saying that you should not work. I'm not saying that you should not be self-employed or you should not be a businessman. No, all of us will have all these roles, but we should also take up this role. Okay, we can be an employee and an investor. We can be a self-employed and an investor. We can be a businessman and an investor. Because everyone cannot do everything. But there are people who are specialized in doing things perfectly, correctly. We can invest on them. And only when you do so, you will be able to make money while you sleep. And that is very much required if you want to have financial freedom in your life.